In this video, I am going to show you how to hire a video editor in a simple and easy way. If you follow each and everything that I am going to show you in this video, then you will be able to hire video editor for affordable price. Not only that much, you'll also be able to select or hire a best video editor for long run for your projects. So don't skip any part of this video. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to have an account on Fiverr. Okay, it is free to create an account on Fiverr. Just visit to fiverr.com and then simply click on join and create your account on Fiverr. That would be the step one. Now in step two, you will log into your Fiverr account and you will see somewhat this kind of interface. And what you need to do here is simply type video editor. Only you need to do this much, okay? And then you will be displayed with the list of video editors. You can hire directly from here, or you can follow my process, and then you will be able to hire video editor for affordable price and the best video editor for your project for long run. So now once you type video editor, then just select this online sellers. You want all the video editors who are online right now at the time you are uh, searching for video editors. Or what you can also do is I'll give you the link for this exact setting, okay, in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and you will have this setting already inside your Fiverr. You just need to create your account in Fiverr and its online seller will already be selected, okay. And then another thing is this relevance, make this newest arrival, okay, and this will be also pre-selected. And if there is any other setting remaining, that I'll turn on and put that special link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and directly reach to this interface. So now from here you need to see all of these are the video editor who are new in Fiverr and they are willing to work for cheap price. Now that doesn't mean that their quality is worse, okay. So for example, let's say so here is someone who is saying I will edit your wedding video. So we don't want wedding videos. If you want wedding, you can select this gig, okay. I'll capture and wanderlust, okay. You can see I will do professional YouTube events video editing. So just let's select this one for time. Here it is saying $5, okay. So let's select. Now what you can do is you can simply contact the seller, okay. Just click on it and chat with the seller directly, okay. Or if you want to watch the sample, here are some of the sample, okay. Here are some of the images. Here is the sample, okay. What you can do is you can simply click on play and watch the sample. So let's just click it and see. So this is the kind of video editing that this person is going to do. If you think this is not good, that's fine, you can simply cross it and you can search for another. So for example, this one, let's open it in another tab and then let's play this one and see how his editing is. Let's look at its sample. So if you think this is also not good, just cross it, okay, and see, check out for any other. So let's see this one. So let's click and play. So if you think this kind of video editing is going to help you, okay, for your project, then what you can do is you can simply contact the seller and tell them your need. And as you can see, the price is already cheap. You can try this editor for once, okay, this video editor for once. And if he is able to deliver the project according to your need and if it fulfills your need, then you can keep on hiring this person again and again. See, if you hire a already popular video editor, then he already have 80 project pending, okay, and he will not be able to focus in your project properly. But these kind of new video editors who are willing to do work for cheap, if you give them the price they deserve, okay, then they will deliver you the result that you need, not only for short term, for long term. Even in long term, they will be giving you the priority to edit videos in more advanced and more nice way. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.